Hello friend, this is Paper Kitty. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you crafty kitties are doing excellent today. Today I'm going to be showing you a swap that Ms Judy from Scrapbook Loft has hosted, and the package I get back, because of course I sent her a package, and with my ugly paper that turned into Make It Beautiful. Thought those little Christmas cards and ATC cards came out pretty cute. I will be putting that video below in case you haven't seen it and you would like to take a look. I suppose once you send all that out, they sort it out and then send you back something. And so this is what she sent me back. So hope that made sense. Let's see what we got here. So all I did was open the envelope so I could do the video, but I haven't seen it. So this is my first reaction here. And so I've got 1, 2, and 3 little packets. Oh my gosh, already look, I'm already freaking out. Look at that. Okay. And then I have a little card, and this little card is precious, and I think that's probably, yes, my Scrapbook Loft. So this is from Ms Judy, and it says Merry Christmas Kitty, Happy New Year, Peace. Oh yes, that word right now means a lot. Don't really like to get into any kind of world events or politics on my channel, so don't really care to see anything like that on my comments, but I'm also not gonna ignore the fact that it's crazy out there, and so definitely praying about that, and not making pretend that nothing's happening, for sure. However, with that being said, I do thank the Lord for crafting, because it has definitely kept me much more sane than if I didn't have the crafting, for sure. So with that said, let's put this to the side. Thank you, Ms Judy, for hosting this fun swap, and let's get to these. So yeah, again, if you didn't see the video, I will put both videos below, so other people did what I did, and then I'm getting that, some of that back. So I love this, you guys. Look, it's so cute with this wreath like that. Oh, that is such a great idea. You know, that's one of the things about doing the swaps or what have you, is that you could see how other people do things, and you definitely pick up ideas, you know, and I'm always trying to also share that when I send things out to people, so I can absolutely appreciate that. Very, very cute. And this is Lauren Cunningham. She likes all styles, pink and mint, Tim Holtz, Maggie Holmes, and chocolate. So I don't think she has a YouTube, but she does have an Instagram, and I'm not sure if she wants us to share that or not. So yeah, if she does, I'll go ahead and link her below. Let's keep going with Lauren's, and then, you know, absolutely, these flowers are super cute. And you know, the way these cards are made is where you can then share them. Or, you know, use them. So it's not, you know, she didn't write inside or anything like that. And so I don't know which was the ugly paper. I'm guessing it's this paper. But I love how she put kind of like little glitter or stickles or something on, like every, it's kind of in a pattern, every other kind of little circle there. And I think it looks super cute. At the end of the day, there really is no ugly paper. It's just, you know, it can be hard to kind of translate it into a holiday sometimes, however, so definitely it is a challenge. But look what she did, it just turned out beautiful. So, and it's still very Christmas, but it's very elegant. But anyway, here's another one, and it's super cute, and I think I know which is the ugly papers. Like I said, I'm guessing it's these polka dots, which again, it is not ugly at all. And then this background paper, it's so funny because I actually have that paper, and you know, depending on the style of journal or paper craft that I'm doing, It's really pretty paper, but it does make a difference on what you use it on. It can look ugly in the wrong setting, and it could definitely look beautiful in the right setting. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Thank you. Okay, so that is Lauren's. Again, if she allows me to if she wants me to put her information below, I will do it if you would like to check it out. But I love this ATC for sure, and the cards, but you know, the ATC kind of called my attention because it's really blingy and adorable. And then of course this card is very elegant, and then this other one is adorable and layered, and I like how she put that together as well. So let's go to the next one. And okay, actually I'm a little confused because I'm seeing this little thing that says from Crafty Sue 519. So let's see. Okay, I'm gonna have to figure out how that's working out, because I can see that by the paper that this is Crafty Sue 519. So okay, I'm a little confused. I will need to sort that out, but this came together like this. So, but then this has a different name on it, so I'm a little confused. I'm gonna have to fix that problem. All right, so let's see the next one here. Papers came from Chef Dalian and Friends. Okay, so these are I guess it's this little index card is showing me which were the ugly papers, which again are not really ugly papers. Okay, so let's put this to a side for a minute. That's a great idea, by the way. That kind of helps to know what we're looking at or what we're looking for. Let It Snow, super cute. It's got that little like silver foil. And this ATC card has a pocket in the back. Love, love, love that. Adorable. Okay, so it says Rhonda Hancock. So it says no YouTube. And so favorite color, any style. And I think maybe July 1st might be her birthday. And she is in Tulsa, Oklahoma. So very cool, Rhonda. So far, I haven't seen anything yet. I mean, I guess I've seen this ATC and I love that. So, love that. So, very cute. Rhonda. All the way. Okay, that's adorable. Loving the coffee. Love the googly eyes. Super adorable. And this is the ugly paper, which is not so ugly. I think it's just actually, it's really good for Christmas because it's kind of a candy cane. Stripes definitely go with Christmas. So, yeah, I really don't think that's ugly paper. But again, I know we had to pick what we considered the least desirable paper in our stack. So, you know. And it says Merry Christmas. Is this cute stamp on there. And I love it. It's nice and thick paper. Looks like she used watercolor paper, which I love because it makes it sturdier than the regular card making cards. And I just love the way that it makes everything look. So, and the same thing with this one as far as the base and Merry Christmas. But then she put, this looks like a little flat ornament. And that is brilliant. Very good job. Ho ho. And yeah, again, using this paper. And again, I think it's great for Christmas. So, yep, I love it very much. And I thank you, Rhonda. And I will, I don't know if you have a YouTube. It doesn't say here anything about a YouTube, but if you, if you want to leave me a note in the comments below about this or how to reach you, if you want to be, if you have any kind of social media that you want, people to check you out or something like that, let me know. I love what you did. Thank you for participating. I know it wasn't our choice who these things were going to be sent to. I don't know if that was kind of more random, but anyway, I'm excited to receive your beautiful crafts. And as a fellow crafter that loves paper crafting, I totally get you, and I know you totally get me, and I love what you did. So thank you. Is the ATC. Ooh, cute, cute. Makalani. Okay, Makalani. I think I actually got your ugly paper, Makalani. So I think I got your ugly paper, girl. Let me know in the comments below. She does have a YouTube, and she is on Instagram and Facebook as well. Her favorite color is green. And favorite craft item is metal dies. Favorite candy is Twix. All-time favorite is All Disney, and she's in Arizona. So wishing, it says wishing, and then I know that I am home, the little things. And then she's got like a Mickey cutout with just a beautiful paper, that yellow glittered paper. And then this is like a little Ferris wheel, and I don't know if it was a sticker that was already like that, if she made that. Tell me in the comments below, Makalani, how you made this. It's beautiful and it's sweet, and I thank you. Okay, and so let me see what's going on here. Okay, so this one, may your spirits be bright. I don't know which is the ugly paper. I'm guessing it's this paper, but it's definitely not ugly. It's beautiful, and you did a good job, an amazing job, very elegant looking. So love it very much. Thank you so very much. Love how you made it, and you know, you kind of followed that little trim to the inside. Very elegant looking, and handmade with Aloha, Maka's home. Very sweet. The next one, it says Merry Christmas, and this is amazing. I love this very, very much, and I love this card, the way you made it. You just really rocked it out. You did a great job. Merry Christmas. And oh, I love that combination of colors. And then you have a stamp, and I love how yours has little sandals. Handmade and created with Aloha by Makalani. Cute, cute. So I love the combination of the blues and the green. And it's, you know, being, I guess, from Arizona. You know, this is definitely an Arizona kind of Christmas card. So I love it very much. Thank you. Very talented. Thank you so much. Okay, so going back to this one, I'm not sure if Lauren is the same person as Crafty Sue, because I think Crafty Sue 519 is a YouTube handle, so I'm a little confused. So please clear that up for me, guys, and below let me know, did I get this from Crafty Sue, or did I get this from Lauren Cunningham, or are they the same person? Or not. Say again, thank you to Ms Judy, and thank you to the crafting community, to all these lovely ladies that participated. It was so much fun as well to make these, and I don't know who got mine, but again, if you got mine, please be sure and go in the comments below of this video and let me know that you got my cards, because I'd like to know. And I don't know if you have a YouTube channel or not, but or an Instagram or not, but I would like to obviously follow you or check you out, especially if you did a video with the cards that I made. I think that would be fun for me, and I know it's fun for these ladies to probably see this be shown like this. So it's lots of fun. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and press the subscribe button if you would like to be part of the Paper Kitty family, and subscribe. Love you so much. Love you so much. I will see you in the next one. Bye now.